basically, which is lovely.
Do you know how many babies you've delivered over the years?
Hundreds, yeah. Hundreds.
We're going to a pub, a vegan pub, to get a carvery.
Yeah, we're gonna get a really nice carvery.
It's a vegan carvery place, and I've wanted to go there for ages. So we're going there. I'm excited.
You have a Halloweeny mug too, or it's not how you have an autumnal mug.
I brought this mug from home because I don't really like using hotel mugs. And I painted my nails. Halloween.
Wait, hold them up. Look at these beautiful nails. They look really cool, like kind of mystical.
I painted them black and then I painted like sparkly purple over the top.
The camera has no idea where you are. There you are.
Yeah, gonna have my cup of tea then get dressed. I have 3 outfit options. I might show you the 3 outfit options, or I might just put one on and then
I think you should show the options like just on the floor.
The thing is, all 3 options are outfits that I am going to wear this month, so maybe I should just keep them like a surprise for the people that are not watching the videos. Yeah.
Outfit. There she is. This is the outfit number 1. This is the outfit you're gonna wear, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I have this bag.
Oh, it's Halloween bear.
Actually, so I am wearing this outfit, but I'm gonna wear it with this skirt over the top because I don't know, understand. But I think it looks good because this has like pink in it.
Yeah, it does go.
It goes good, I think.
It does go well, but you could also just wear it by itself. It is a really cool little play
I'm
suit.
not going to.
That is actually so cute. Halloweeny.
Halloween.
You need to take the label off your bear. Is that your bear you're going to have with you today, like as your bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take the label off.
And I also have matching earrings that are this bear.
Oh wow.
Earrings that are the same bear for my ears. I also have some pink ones, like Care Bear's pink ones. And I have tattoos, Care Bear's tattoos. I'm going to put on the top of these Care Bear's ones. And these ones are really good because they match my bag, this one as well. And actually this one is like 2 Care Bears together. It's this one and then he's like hanging on to the broomstick. So I'm going to put them on my face, so I don't want to have one that's like too big for my face.
Yeah.
I quite like these small pumpkins. There's a small pumpkin here, that would be a good one for the face.
Yeah.
Or these pumpkins. I also have these glittery ones. I'm not really sure how these work because obviously you like put the tattoo on and then you like dab it on the top and then take it off, but like the glitter's on this side, so how does that work?
Are they not stickers?
No, they're tattoos. Oh. I got these ones, but these are all quite big as well. I could put them like on my arm. I could do like a whole arm.
A sleeve. You could do like a sleeve of Halloween tattoos, yeah.
And these are the earrings that I've got. So I have these ones which match my bag, and then I have these ones which I think match my outfit.
Yeah.
I have bats, and I have these pumpkins.
Yeah. Which one do you think it's going to be?
I think probably these ones.
Yeah, they're the ones that match your bag, and they have bats on them too.
Bats. Yeah.
Do you like bats, Maisie?
I love bats.
Just to let you know, Maisie loves them bats.
I love bats. Okay. Which tattoo is it gonna be?
Oh yes, let's see it. Look at it, she's got a tattoo on. Yay! It looks fantastic. Was it quite easy to do? Oh yeah, and you got your earrings in too. It is absolutely disgusting weather outside. It's like raining, the whole ground is so wet.
I'm not prepared for it. I didn't bring any like umbrellas.
Guess what I brought?
A hood.
Guess what I brought?
Umbrella.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, I think we're ready.
I think we're ready. We have arrived at the Barn Pub and Restaurant. It's like a little restaurant in the middle of nowhere, really.
I'm actually really scared.
Oh, why?
Because I don't know what to expect. Like I don't know like what the what's it called? What the like etiquette is. Like if you have to like.
Oh well, what's going to happen is we're going to walk in, and we're going to walk in and hang around the door. Someone's going to see us and they're going to go, oh, hi. And we're going to say, hi, we're booked for 12. My name. And they'll say, okay, yeah, just come this way. And they'll sit us down at the table. Then we'll have a look at the menu. It's gonna be good. roast dinner. That's awesome. I've got 3 different types of meat, chicken, gammon, and also sausage. Maisie has as well. I got myself a chocolate torte. All the knobbly, weird shaped ones. Yeah, these are the ones that probably taste good. Yeah, it's bubbly. Some more. It's
big heavy pumpkin.
Big pumpkin.
Long pumpkin person.
Pumpkin person.
Hi, we just came out of the Halloween farm.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I had the best day of my
Yeah,
life.
the best day ever. It was really good. They had the circus, which was fantastic. Really cool. Really good acts. Talented people.
I loved the circus. That's the only like extra thing that we like did. But yeah, it was a good time. Probably wouldn't come back here because I feel like there's better like pumpkin patches. Although we didn't come here just for the pumpkin patch, we came here because it's called Halloween Farm, and I love Halloween and I love farms, so I thought that would be really good.
Yeah, everyone was all dressed up in Halloween type of clothing, like this kind of vibe, and pumpkins and stuff. So that was really cool. You felt all like fitted in at home, didn't you? No one saw your outfit.
No, because it's raining, so I
had your
put
hoodie
my
on.
hoodie on, which wasn't supposed to be part of my outfit today. This was in the suitcase, and I got it out because it was raining and I didn't want my head to be wet. So yeah, we're going home now. It's quite a long way away from home.
Long drive home now.
It's like almost 3 hours, but that's fine. I got snacks.
We're home now. Look what Maisie has. You got your pizza. It's like your baby. What did you get?
Treats.
Treats? I think you deserve treats. That looks like cauliflower wings, chicken nuggets.
I've had a busy day of Halloween.
You have had a busy day of Halloween.
So now it's gonna be a treat. It's extra large.
Extra large.
Extra large.
Baby, you went all out.
I did.
Bloody hell.
And it'll last a few days.
It'll last ages, that will. Remember the size of it.
Yep. It's good.
Good.
You want some?
I don't know. I still feel a bit rough from earlier. So after our roast dinner experience, I had a massive plate of my own. Maisie also didn't eat all of yours. There's quite a lot left, and I
ate like half of mine. Maybe.
probably half. I feel maybe less than half. Yeah, less than half, because you had 3 pieces of the chicken stuff.
Yeah.
You only ate one,
Yeah.
and then there was like loads of Yorkshire pudding left. Like more than half of your Yorkshire was left. And like loads of mash, loads of potatoes. So I basically had at least 1.5, maybe 1 3/4 worth of roast dinner, which was loads. It's a big load of food. Like I hate wasting food. I would just eat it, and it was delicious. So I was fine. And I had a dessert. And afterwards, I felt a bit rough. I was like, this is the most full I've ever felt. So driving to the next place, I was like, oh my god, I've eaten so much, can't believe it. So I still feel a bit rough like that. So although the idea of pizza tasting in my mouth is tempting, my tummy is like saying, nah bro, not yet. How is it?
Good. This pizza, they chop them like not very good at chopping. So they have like very small slices, so you can have a really small slice of it.
I could. Maybe in a bit. I'll see how I feel.
Our bodies are different. Like if I have a really big meal, not always, but most of the time, I will still get hungry at the normal times that I get hungry, and I'll still feel.
I feel like
I need food.
your body processes food much faster than mine does. My metabolism, I feel like, is really slow. I can have a big meal and then not get hungry for like 2 days.
It's good.
It's good.